Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, leveraging the memoQ web search functionality. With memoQ web search, you can search for a word or a phrase on several websites at once, directly from your memoQ interface. To define your web search settings, click the option symbol on the top left, and under Default Resources, click this symbol. You can either start from the memoQ default settings or create a new one from scratch. To check the existing settings, click on Edit. In the list, tick the box next to all the web pages you wish to search while translating. If you want to add a custom one, click on Add New. To do so, go to the web page you want to add to your settings, make a random search, and copy the URL. Back in memoQ, choose a display name, then paste the corresponding link in the search URL field. All you need to do now is replace your original search by curly brackets in the URL. You can verify if the search URL works by typing a word and clicking on Test. When you're done, click on OK. Navigate to your new web search setting and tick the box next to it before you close the options. Now in the translation grid, you can search all the web pages you selected at once. To do so, highlight the term you wish to search and click on memoQ Web Search. memoQ automatically opens a window with your search in all previously selected web pages. Important note: web search settings are local resources. If you wish to share them with colleagues, you can export them and have them import those as new. Thanks for watching.